Hi there, and welcome to our hotel review of possibly the smallest hotel in the world. Haha, only joking. As well as his obsession with travelling the world, my beautiful husband also has a serious obsession with Lego, or Lego as the South Australians call it for some unknown reason. Quite some time ago, we started collecting the street scene. Each year since then, Lego has released a new building in this series, and this year, for the 15th anniversary, was the release of the Boutique Hotel and Art Gallery. The buildings and attention to detail are exquisite. Stay with us as we take you through the construction of the Boutique Hotel and how it fits into the rest of our street scene. If you've enjoyed our construction video and want to see more, let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed seeing our Lego street scene.